Now all of una be all the presenter, no one way good. No one way good. They are just looking for people video, make they make money for their pocket. The other one see coin say I be killer. Me will never ever kill fly before. I did my own. If you defend fame, if you defend popularity, you go to use debt till they follow person they joke. That one, that case, I keep out for you. Not be Libya, yeah, I go there, they follow you, they do that kind of thing. You just say, I don't get family. They know they see video where you do. My family know say, I never ever keep fly before. Picking way come up for us, 2002. When the country they keep people, they go. I keep all these things, they wait you. You just say, you just they talk for abroad, you just they talk. I say, now me go bloody you for that country where you did. You never, go ask people where really know me. Go ask. Now you are to start you. I go day my own. This offer they also daily bread for my children. I dey wash up. Nobody they give me money. Government not they give me money, and they suffer to make sure say the children they okay. Hello. 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 No, they talk. No be now this morning. Then my woman will send me some video with some pictures where they take go school. The school where my children they go. Say at the end of the year, now so that they do it. That's it. Now only 13 of them I come out. They can't share a bag of rice. They can't give my last born. They can't give them a big motor. That big motor is small children, big one where they arrange. Why all these things reach their hand? I don't even know. He said because they select them come out. People when they pay, when we say school fees never ever expire, they don't pay. So we consider among of the 13 people, a bit 10 people who say they bring come out. Now you wait, now that you they give me the money. Now you they give me this money. Even though say I will lean, say you say I lean. Person where they walk, you know they lean, abi. Person, for example, person go they walk. Because that walk where they walk, not be bloody they use. Talk close, say I know I will lean. Say as I dey. Now me dey here, so look me, more than look me. Now me sit down here. Now me do video. Now me pump my belly. You get it when I say they do some video. If I do some video, I go tight my body like this. You know go even know. You get it when I say they do all my body. Why did they talk say this girl were there abroad that time? When they shake hands, all your body go they twist. This guy were there America, but then America he dey. You can't go tell and say why they twist body. Then always say no, you fat, be like skeleton. As a content man, I know the one I'll take do video where go make sure say people look at it look funny to people. If I fat, I go feel they do content. My papa no fat, my mama no fat. I be lekpa where they born me. One guy who dey here, now maybe go there if he come on Stanley. Now the same both all of us say time, bro. Everybody know me for beggar must say I be lekpa, no fat. Now Germany, I make me come fat. Also say that they give you free food, free money. You know they work. I call the chop medicine for the injury when I get the medicine. Cause they make me they swell up. That medicine so food that they use and they eat. Doctor will tell me say, but it go to cure my pain, but it go to make me they eat well. See my mommy dey here. Mama, you don't tell. Are you again? That's my family sister. Long time. Why I was me a Joshua? You know. Now, the content you give me, you give me back. Now, I don't know whether they want to tell me I want to do my content. Me will sit down here, so I look like person will be say they suffer, person will say they sick. Now, question they ask you now. Now, don't I still come for abroad, and so all my skin still be. Now make I come out for a year, it go come back again. What if you have a problem? If I don't pay school fees, bag of fry not go reach my children, my wife hand. Even the motor where they dash my pikin, it not go reach in hand. They can't enjoy numbers of people where they pay school fees. 13, I be 10 people. Now they select come out from their school. And my wife was among. And the parents where their children they come school in time. Because that one of the character where their mama still learn during the Germany time. Where we say the children they go school regularly. And true and so my children before they break, they don't bath, they don't go school.
Get there.
Get there.
Get there.
Leon, I need to shoot it and be shit it and Leon. It's a mastery. Mastery and gawad. Hello. Una no dey talk. Una go call person, una dey look person. Una no dey talk. Una wan look me whether I don die. I never die. I still dey here. I never die. Since then, I start to enter house. They start to do my. They start to work my work. I can't forget all of una for social media. That day say I never know even enter my head. Say I say my TikTok me no be like say I just dey abandon. I mean I just dey do some video there where go see they make people happy. I know wetin I sabi do. Now they jam one man. I dey look the video. The man say greetings. He get way take the talk for the video. The voice I dey like am. Now I begin use am do video. Now na dey cry put. Now will cry tire. Useless set of people. Now me carry depression give una for abroad. The other one come say depression. I want to tell you one thing. This country where me stand put, depression they learn. You know we even near here. You get country where depression they stay. Not be this kind of country. Country where they should go every minute. That depression one stay. Country where they should go every minute. That depression one stay. This place so see what is there? Now gone. Now gone. Sometimes you come our shot, the reason they play because all the amount of we they repair, they shoot. Now gone. You dey craze. Country where be say they shoot go every minute. That depression go the worry person. If depression they worry, they shoot go. You know go get up. It gets country where depression they stay. Not be country like Libya. Now me I don't travel. Now I wouldn't know say that they see sickness that they call depression. Now Europe, now depression they exist. For Africa, depression not the Africa. Now person will never eat. Now you go to think about depression. Now person will be say it dey for country will be say anytime can be 6 o'clock. Now depression one hole. Country will be say you go there as you sit down. Now your calculation anything not happen to you. Now you go to think. Now you go to calculate. May police not bail you. May you not go prison. Go bail yourself. Now depression one come now you can't carry depression. They put for your own brain. Now get sense. Oh, now me will get 6 children. Now me you can't think about depression. Depression is wawa. They do work by. Now they normal. Now when they European, una they sick. Not be all of una they sick. Una they sick. Population of una there, una they take medicine. Because everybody keep quiet. Because everybody keep quiet. Because everybody keep quiet. Many of una for that Europe, now they sick. Many of una where they carry Chris document they waka. I not say not be una fault. Auto say, may they give me the paper, make I dey okay. Now yeah, this useless boy where deport himself from France, he go Nigeria, he dey begin to insult una from abroad. No presenters come out to talk about that matter. Presenters one they send money give. Presenters one they clap and follow. None of una come and when they kick against what that boy they talk. No presenter come fight for the old women. But I see come out, I see tell the boy, I want to tell the boy. I see many of them carry the video. But you know, will be the presenters. Ogun believe no who now God will punish all of you guys. Wana ni rewe bona esobu we here now God will punish all of you. Now me swear for now this afternoon. Now God will punish some of you. Now God will punish some of you guys. Since una there abroad, something go dey happen to una. These presenters una they watch, don't they ever fight for una. They don't ever fight for una. But if na see whether they beat Olivie, now there una come and say get wetin I do una. Now God I go punish many of you where they live for the diaspora. Now God I go punish una. Many of you where they live there, many of you, not everybody, but many of you. Many of you. You guys are evil. You guys are evil. When this easy boy they talk say una to they call, na so na to they smell, na so na to they do this one. None of this presenter help you guys to say easy boy go on better easy boy do one on easy boy this one. None of these presenters come out, make they shout every blessed day to fight for the diaspora people. Now God go punish you away there abroad. Some of you. Now God go punish some of you. None of you guys tell una presenter when they talk say that this guy they follow. May you talk about this topic. None of you guys ever hear you. People, small people there abroad will say they many people frustrate. Not be where I live for many years. I don't know everything they have for there. None of you guys enter live video. They begin to give easy boys basketballs. None of you even ask your own fans when they say easy boy. When my one come matter there, you never talk about easy boy. All of una sit down for abroad there. Una go carry water, carry this thing. They where they lies. Yeah, they are lying. And they be in a house. Kare hinta. MC service. Ale ani diri video. Asma kare hinta. MC mekan gade MC. Ani sisana. Putani. Ani telephone bita hinta.
انت زقزان
أنا أعرف أني زجزاج أنا أعرف مش أنت بتكلم أنا أعرف أني زجزاج مش أنت بتكلم أني زجزاج أنا أعرف أني زجزاج لا أنت كبيك زجزاج امشي ساي بس ترى أنت هوان هذا
انت بابلو انت زقزان
أنت مصري ليش أنت جي في الليبي جي شوغو أتاني جي شوغو
انا بابلو
أبو بكر
انت بابلو
أنا أدري فيديو امشي راي شو يا تاني أنا كلامي تطحالي برا اسمع سي سبيس فوتو هو مشينو hello
Alpha, Olivie, Alpha now. What will be the updates now? What will be the story now? What will be the topic now? Alpha now.
what do you talk
What will be the topic now? What will be the topic?
I'm not yet
What will be the
I
topic?
did my own. If I do, people there, all the people there abroad, they don't let me rest. I don't know what they want from me. I'm not there abroad again. They're not gonna let me rest.
Who they?
Not be content. I don't see what they do now. We become wahala. They say I they do content. I don't link. I don't do this one. I don't do this one. Me where they I tell they say I link. I me do content. I me shoot video. Now you shoot the video for me.
No reason there, my baby. Do what they make you happy. That's what
Best way they abroad. Best way they abroad. Best way they live for Africa. Now the same thing. I did was shop. The government know they give me money. Nobody they take care of me. Now me go work. Now me go take care of children for Nigeria. Pay their school fee. Pay everything. Pay all the university. Pay their bills. Then you can't tell me say make I come pump my belly. Make I for not take care of my children. Because your wife they give you some moment you dey chop. You know they work.
No be that. No.
Now what shop be
no
a day
reason
now?
there.
I dey here in the morning. I will come here in the morning. I will come out in the evening. See, now what shop we are there? Now where I dey work, they find money. Now iron work, I dey do painting work. Now they don't let me go carry chemical enter belly, carry chemical enter everywhere. You sit down for your comfort zone there. You not get what you they do.
Just do you, man. No reason them or do you? No
Business
reason them.
people. When Easy Boy they insult them from abroad, nobody talk to Easy Boy. No, this presenter come out to kick what Easy Boy they talk. Now me see come out insult Easy Boy for that video. Talk to and see wait now one talk. I will continue that video when I go look social media. Nobody have talked to this boy. The code this youth represented the Frank Victor. A lot of people you guys are watching. Nobody have ever talked to this guy. But now only me where they Libya, they suffer my life, they go now they attack.
You always talk. I say
They say some of these Benin people when they deport me, how much the Benin people donate for me? But I hear now that video when I tell attack Frank Victor, that mean Frank Victor the vet. I say why now Frank Victor now can't know say I they exist. But when they deport me, Frank Victor was kicking against that the Benin people should not donate money for me. Because they deport that Asian guy, a lot of the Benin people turn up for that guy. Frank Victor can't take and do video now tell us say why now you are not talk say Benin people abandon me. Benin people not be today we know that Benin people not ever help their people. Now few of them good. How many Benin people don't help me? Mo will talk. How many? How many? I don't say make Benin help me. They have their choice to help another tribe. It's not even though say they carry 20 million give the boy. That is not my business. Now let that affair the sabi.
Yeah. No reason them. Do you, Olivie?
How many Benin people? How much nothing help me? The Benin people, may we really talk.
How many Benin people you don't help, Olivie?
Eh?
How many you don't help?
Who carry you come? Listen to me. Who carry you come? I not bring you come. Madam, carry your one that come for here. I not call you here. Hear me? Carry that your one that come for here. Carry that your smelling to talk more for here. They hear me, madam. I not call you. Carry your smelling to talk more for here. Now easy boy, they tell you say your toto don't call you. They come here, they ask me a question. Easy boy tell you say madam say your toto call. What till you don't talk? You they come they call me. Now you want to provoke me now. When easy boy tell you say madam say your toto call, what till you do? You say about one who know we are.
Hello.
When easy boy tell you say your toto call, what till you talk?
Not help you. We're not help you. How much people donate for you? How much?
When they talk say your toto call, when they tell you say your toto call, when they tell you say your toto call, madam, listen to me. I know they talk to person they talk now. One by one.
Olivie,
we not call. We not call the way we sack about more. You know, see, I say they don't come as frustration women. To una to talk call, I go join the boy they talk una to talk call. Who sack about more? You see why is the boy they use now? Me myself come they go they saw the boy.
I bet we should be put.
When we not call ni anore we bo. When is the boy tell you say your totoko, why you not call all those bloggers? Make the help una insert easy boy. Who sack about more? Who they bring that they come? Who they bring all these people they come because I not bring anybody come here.
Calm down.
Olivie, I agree to you, Domo.
Baby, calm down.
See, you know.
When is the boy they tell these people say they are to talk to anybody? They come provoke me.
AB, wait. You see what I call you now? I don't call you Olivie. I call you AB. You're supposed to say person they talk to you. So, that person you know. See, say invest like this. All those your what you dey dread.
And now my face is there. Una say I talk to better house.
The way me I talk now. Now me they talk. Una happy they talk. Now HP they talk.
How far?
I don't hear you, my brother. I agree to you. So for me to say invest like this, bro, I beg, calm down. Not do any transfer of aggression. Because maybe something don't make you vex now. I get what to make you the paro. What make you talk like this?
You think they pay me like say these people when they talk to me like let's say I feel just cash in with my hand now.
It's
good for me.
Wait. Your page and happiness and all. So not let
I thank God say you yourself, you know me from Morocco, you know say anything or pressure, I don't need them.
Okwesin. Let me talk to you now. See, I beg, Not use the waiting they make you the first now. I can't spoil the happiness when they give people your fans.
I dey hear you. My network, I dey hear you. They hear me now.
I dey hear you clear. I don't know how you dey hear me.
In a joke.
Because I don't know how you dey hear me because where you dey talk they go now, bros. I see they talk they look well. Something don't make you the vex. That's why you transfer your aggression now, bro. Not transfer, not go that level of easy boy with the talk. I beg you big pass that one. Forget that one. They do that.
Listen to me. You know why I
joke.
come like this? Wait, happy. Listen to me. You know why I come?
That's just the truth.
Olivie
No be say person you throw bomb. You go just throw bomb.
They work, but you want. I don't
You understand? You dey also God don already do am. Okay, fine. He say a downfall of a man is not the end of this life. Now as you take pick up matters a lot.
Since then, my brother. Since then, my brother. Una see say I dey come social media again. Come say make them send me money. People say I no get. I go manage my life like that.
Why they call they trend the video for negative things? I know me not understand.
Huh?
See
Now they get my video. There's a Venus where they wear shoe with here.
Na negative.
Funny man where they carry
you
gun
say
from
carry
with
gun.
here. Boss us with dirty.
Make them talk. Not be that mad they
For
talk.
media
So
different
far you know
for
where
content
you dey
creator,
go.
guy. For media
You know
different
where
for
you
content
know
creator.
wetin you dey head
Anything where you
to.
dey do.
You
Now you dey make
understand?
them dey laugh you.
If see who they say me who say me they don't
Yes.
laugh at them.
You get one woman when I did Germany one time. You get one woman wey call me. Wait. You get one woman wey call me when I did Nigeria where they deport me. The woman don advance small. As he come call me say, Olivie also we dey there video. I say wetin happen? He say he no go lie me o. Na my video dey give am jet to time. If you dey boring, you go dey watch all those my video when I dey add that time for Nigeria. I say people for Facebook wey dey talk say they say I be crazy man. Say na that is na madman content I dey do. There is nothing when I dey give them wey they make them and they no say anything I dey do they go viral. Now I dey prepare them. I will continue to dey do am. Nobody go stop me. Even one time when my mom call me yesterday, you call me yesterday, you want your talk go about that, but I say, why you go to what here? Don't it matter the why forget it. I be online person. I know the way to deal with them. My mother forget about it. So that will not be issue. That will not be say. I tell you so. I be man of myself, a man of 6 children. Now another person will sit down and one can control me. A man of 6 children. I bet you never born one can control me.
You are woman, understand?
I'm not here for myself.
You're a man of yourself.
Wetin make you happy dey do am?
I go make you pay deaf ear to them.
A man of 6 children, 4 boys, 2 girls. 2 girls, 4 boys. They call it to me anyhow.
That thing not make
You
sense.
are
for some.
dumb.
I don't blame them.
Say,
People they abroad now. People they abroad. They collect money. Oh. People they abroad. They collect salary. Oh. Me, I know they collect salary. I dey suffer to make sure say I get money. Paint go enter my nose. Kufi when I dey wash go enter my nose. Chemical everything go enter my nose. Then you come say make I dey okay like when I take day abroad. If I not dey okay like abroad, you know good. When I dey work, they suffer. They work.
Nobody will not know as Libya be.
Thank you. When you dey hustle.
Tell ourselves the truth now.
You get one boy wey say I see yours now. The boy come my city here. Na Tripoli for come. When he come, he oof. As he don start work now, he don lean small. He say, "Cause he no dey work when he dey Tripoli." Okay, you want use person wey dey work for workshop and person wey no dey work wey dey abroad? Maybe and you come be the same oofness.
Ataya.
Or may I go because I say I want fat, make it please you. May I go carry for credit, I come pump my belly. No, they send me money. Describe shop when I go to eat, look at the fat. They send me money, so you will tell me where I go to eat. No wahala.
Olivie, my advisor say, since you don't get followers, you don't get traction. I would say maybe they put your handwork for TikTok, make the video yourself. I said do your handwork, make the video yourself. I said do your handwork. So since you don't get followers for TikTok, you
they
don't
know
get
they
popularity.
share. Handwork say no they go viral.
Man saying that you go start from somewhere
And
that
they
you
post time, go look my page. Now no one they come on, no one they go anywhere. And they post time, now I can't stop. Nobody they will talk about time.
No give up. Continue.
continue now. So
Okay, now just content when I all do now. No, you don't, no. Wait, make I remember una. Una remember say this is a
thank you so much.
wahala.
God bless you.
When I come to dance, put for Charlie Poppy music. Mama, if you dey follow me well, when I dance for Charlie Poppy music one time, Now so they see insult me, some say I don't decrease, some say I don't depress. That during that period, a lot of presenters, and so they see carry the video that time when I call the dance Charlie Poppy dance now. That time.
Where you carry radio for it?
Thank you. When I do a lot of things, and so they say accuse me. Oh. Nah, no say one thing when I understand for social media people they do one thing. They're not to create content and saga that they do. If they see say you were not there abroad before, you can't do something, they go viral. No, the one made that they mock you.
Maybe you they give them.
You know, you say I want to do one since I said they offer our they say, okay, person way they lean will be a sick pack. If face go see poof like this. Now question they ask. If person not be facing for the lean. That's why I'll come abroad. Now this small girl, they'll come, they say, Olivie, come this one, they rub your belly. Does Olivie come, you come, they make. Yeah. If I come abroad, I know they find the one way to talk cold, and the one way they hot.
Okay.
That's what I told you yesterday. So
You'll come for summer.
very Olivia, wait till you pray now. May God give you good health.
Okay, if I come for summertime, go the hot.
You understand?
If I come for summertime, go the hot.
Hey God.
Amen. The thing that summertime they hot, not truth. They hot. Let me meet Okamo. Easy boy.
Hey, guys, ladies and gentlemen, for Easy Boy.
You know, it's me I tell you the problem. The problem. You know why social media people they pursue me the entire house? Not be now where they watch me. All these presenters where they don't like me inside. They don't say anything with me enter social media. Their hand will constantly fall. They know they want maybe say they come out. Me are your day indoor. You understand? So that
they give them more content.
now what did they want with that?
I will drag you now. Today not to carry your video. Now so it is.
You don't carry me before now. I know be so they drag me during deportation time. What you know they see they post me. Today they don't post me before now.
You don't carry on.
So they beat me. Now today not carry me that time.
One thing where you need to understand, say good thing not they go viral. Sure you know.
Not mind them.
So
Not mind them.
just they do your thing. In as much as you not by person, you know. They do your thing, no.
Tell me, okay, Mama, look me where I'm not cute.
You cute now,
You
fine
cute, I see
man.
your baby, eh? Shy fresh.
Fine man. Fresh man.
The only the hardest one.
Fresh man.
See your tattoo, see your tattoo, Olivier. Olivier, yes,
Fresh
Olivier.
man. You too fine.
Olivier, you know say that way.
Tattoo for my body. My tattoo not get value. My tattoo not get value for Libya.
Your cuteness, they cry. You too go
My tattoo not get value for Libya.
No, na son not
What be
dread.
that?
Son go clean the tattoo.
Olivier, now your guy for husband, your guy for husband.
Yeah, now look at my tattoo not get level for Libya. Now Europe if forget
Don't
value.
worry, if you come, you go share back.
Olivier.
That one are normal.
Yes, nah.
Agree to now. When I see send me some gift now, not be so now. Why don't they do me like this? Yeah? When I send me some gift now,
No, yeah, work with Libya.
what do you talk?
When you are even when you are going to when we are your way.
Wari egume na wala o.
I don't want to be your wife for Libya.
Hey, Epa himself.
D'abord,
It was Epa Titi.
yeah, maintenant,
I didn't have a partner. Okay, not being. Agree to.
d'abord. Bah, il blesse, il
Aye,
a des work, il a relax. But il n'a pas firewood.
Since then, they fight here now. They fight.
Oh wow.
They fight.
Who you
You small for that side though.
When you are so.
If I say you small for that side though.
No, not be soldier. No, not be soldier. Now Asma boys and Asma boys they fight.
boys.
Yourself,
okay.
you.
Asma boys and Asma boys and they fight.
Okay.
No, they don't get your time. Now people they condemn this country. They don't get your time. The fact that you don't go past where they misbehave, you go your way. They don't get your time. Now people just they condemn them. They don't get your time. Now then they do their thing.
You feel they go visit for Nigeria?
Yeah?
You feel they go visit for us?
Me? Where they
No.
for block road? If I see where they for block road, if you follow corner, they enter my house. Don't you consign me, consign them.
No worry, God
Not
go
be
make
small
them
picking for this country now. I know the way to waka. If I ever see police from front, if I ever see that, I will see waka go meet them. If I reach where they are not go greet them, waka my own pass.
The Lord is your strength, Olivie.
And when you see police, police go pursue you now. I beg now, mona support me. I beg, Wala oh, you want me be me. Mami go yari ba, Matisse dem me winner.
Bemo na no verse, so I agree there.
I beg if anybody gets stuff for Libya here, where if you go they eat, mona tell me, but now they pay. Man for the part.
I agree there.
I made for 40, yeah.
Mama, wait. You see that big belly when I get that time? They make I go get that belly again. You don't see who they pray for that kind of thing.
That belly, no come like say you start still fit you one kind of thing. That big belly.
No, not be fatness. Oh, my family not fat. Oh, now medicine where they give me, they make me they eat.
Maybe
Not be say na fatness. Oh, not be fatness. Oh, na bayana. The doctor tell me say, but you will be eating, but it will be reducing your pain. And truth is, they war about my sister. If I dey eat today, you go wrong. Now food, now if inside that belly, don't be fatness. Now when I come out, I can't reduce. When I would in Nigeria, it don't dey less. I'm not gonna chop the medicine again. I can't stop am. Stop am. A lot of the y'all they talk. Go to Italy, people know me. I no fat. I be lekpa. Go look at my children for Nigeria. They be lekpa. But madam, you wicked though. You see me they carry a boys a fire where they want to reduce their stomach. You see me carry that problem. You not like me, madam. You not like me.
Maybe overhousing.
I don't tell you overhousing. Whether they give them bad medicine.
Olivie, one of Germany. Olivie, one of
the medicine self. Some people follow me come. Now some boys able finish the medicine for desert. If they don't eat and finish, I go to look them. They will say, "Pa the medicine just high also. We just like and we hide off for." They go to eat garri today. They go tire.
Epa one himself, how far?
I do.
We gonna make it rest.
Olivia.
I don't understand. I don't understand this woman. Medicine where God not take create me, make I use the carry and the chop they go. They make because they want to make me rest. I don't feel rest as I did, so I cannot the chop again.
Now supplements gonna make you fresh.
Una will be women, and una problem be that. Because una go they find show glass, they go where they say better medicine. You know they find online. The way they order from America, they order. A man not get that kind of time. Make it because they had the first supplement they go since when I was born. Since 3 years now, I never sick. I know they sick.
No,
I know the best way they sick.
Maybe because of the work what they do now, you know, say this work be like say hard.
Now today I don't they do the work. Now yeah, I learn. I don't be work when I learn when I they go primary school. And work when you don't learn, when you don't become more guy, you don't go hard you again. Now when you they do one, when you they learn, and then they hard you. You don't understand now. Once you don't learn work finish, you know they hard you again. Now when you they learn work, now work they hard you. So I am doing it based on the experience when I tell learner.
Where you there for triple yourself?
I'm not a boy. Wanna show me love, I beg. I need TikTok cap. I need money gum. I need lion. I want to go fight war. I need lion.
But not see if you see two taste more for there. You're fine. You want to my move. You don't understand.
I go come out, man. I can't stay. I can't tell person say I dey come out tomorrow.
That place, they not be where person they
can't tell you say I dey come out
You
tomorrow.
understand? I beg.
My sister, listen now. You just dey talk. You all say no need to stay long. Now people are coming here. Everybody wait there. Nobody come here. Can't stay. Now join everybody will go. Everything for this water now, God.
Hey, pa, waiting they delay you.
Everything. Oh God, that question. Oh God, that question. I don't feel answer again. No, this for that question.
Waiting they delay you.
I know they answer that question again, my brother. Anything concerning my journey,
If you tell you what they delay, you want help her?
I answer the question on money.
What you do for her?
This one I don't talk. Which help come?
Are you tired?
Na money.
The hell. Now money, bring money for her.
They go there waiting they delay you. Really? Say you change word like say you get money. If you even look your pocket now, maybe me even get person. Maybe this more when I see get from my pocket, I see be pass your own.
You yab me, oh, you really yab me.
You know yab you na money, bro.
You really yab me.
I know yab you. Listen to me. You might ask me that question. You might be saying me where we sit down here so small dinner for me. Get will be part of your pocket for them.
Me when I dey live for Europe since 1994, you yab me.
Forget about that Europe.
You yab me,
my brother. I don't want to live for
you
Europe.
yab me. You yab me.
Forget that.
You yab me. You yab me.
My brother not scam me with abroad. I beg. He say they live for Europe for many years. Everybody will live for abroad. Now if you build us, people not live for abroad for 20 years. Not build us.
I ask you simple question.
Everybody
You
live for abroad.
yab me.
Bro, not verse.
I live there for many years. If I tell you what's my problem now, you know, give me 1 naira. You want your only come fool me for you ask me a yes question. I know the answer.
Olivie need that.
You think say I become online to joke with you? Okay, no problem.
You need that phone help. Condition not good.
No, how you expect? How you expect somebody to help you now with the way you dey talk? How you expect that?
My brother, when you forget your talk here, I don't see people like you passing me. You forgot this kind of monitor. No use that all those already matter to stop me.
If you want help her.
No use that your question to stress me for yeah, you hear me? No use that your question to stress because you want to give me money. No use that stress me yeah.
Don't stress her.
You just give me money and you don't give me.
Hello.
Don't stress him, please.
Call. Sister, you can't say no.
No, this question they ask me question. That's not help now. I don't go help.
Call. Calm down, my brother. Call la wo. Brother now my the reason on because maybe I get with to see now where my na
Mama, where we don't see all these things pass, Mama.
Sister, why but I beg no verse, I beg. I don't need that. Beg forgive her. Yeah, beg. May you try make it help. Olivie.
Okay, Mama. If this brother don't give me money, Mama, you go give me money.
You go give you.
Olivie, place your account.
If this brother don't give me money, Mama, you go give me.
Well, calm down.
You're holding Mama strong.
Olivie,
too much.
I beg. All of us wait there. Yeah, I beg. If na 10 euro, not too big, not too small. Make we send for make send to his children. Make they do Christmas. Wala. I wanna get 5 euro me. Wala. Wagia yo bonawe never be na wala. Olivie, when you catch Latin, you bring your la. What come da baba la?
Pestaza.
Do them money ro wala.
Women not say you may not stop it when because of the way
calm down. Olivie, calm down, brother. I beg, I don't need that, brother. Wait, talk to us now, beg, brother. See me for I don't need that, beg. Maybe forgive allow. Children, they never carry bag of fried. They never buy Christmas food. He did. What wagwa. They never buy Christmas rice. I beg. They never buy fowl. I beg. I don't need that. Make him put the account. If na 10 euro, your hand ratio na 5 euro. Moku send the account.
They laugh.
Was a